Bye. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm going to read another story. I'm going to read Alaska's Train Story by Shannon Cartwright. This Alaska story can now be told about a train of blue and gold. Ding, ding, rings the bell. We're ready to go. All aboard! Find your seat. We're still moving slow. Past mountains and glaciers, clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Look, see the animals along the track? Which animals do you see? Moose, bears, an eagle, and a swan. There are whales and otters, moose, lynx, and hares, wolves and caribou, swans and bears. Can you see the caribou on the mountain? The whales in the ocean. There's the wolves howling. Oh, there's a lynx. There's a beaver in the pond. And there's the swans. And the bears. And the moose. And then there's an otter right there. Cute little otter. Oh, and there's the hare. A hare is a bunny rabbit. Past rivers and forests we roll along. Right over the bridge, isn't that neat? There's the bears catching the fish. The crew keeps her running, steady and strong. Ooh, look at that hot fire. We have to put the coal into the fire. That's what makes the train go, huh? The old-fashioned trains. We sing, pull little engine, we know that you can. Show us the wonders of this northern land. There's the ptarmigan. That's Alaska's state bird. There's the little Alaska train. Choo choo, chicka 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 choo choo. There's the wolves. Ding ding, here we are at the end of the line. Thanks, little train. We had a great time. The end. I love you. Mwah, mwah. Thanks for watching. Oh, let me show you the pictures on the back. There's some real Alaska trains. You've ridden on this one before. This one is in Fairbanks. And you guys have seen this one down by the train station. Well, some of you have when you were littler. Don't think Keenan and Ben have. And this one, let's see. Ah, the Klondike. I don't think we've seen that one in person, but that's a neat one. And we have a train right in Palmer. Remember the train? I'll have to make a video at the train one of these days. I love you. Mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.